Well, sa cast of characters pa lang na nakita nyo kanina mga kaibigan, siguradong suspense ito. Labanan ng Leading Tigers at Rising Kings. Yan po ang storya nitong sagupang ito ng Coca-Cola at ng Barangay Ginebra at alam na alam ng mga PBA fans kaya naman nagdagsaan dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Bago natin umpisahan ang third quarter, report, Eric Reyes.
Well, I checked on both teams. For Barangay Ginebra, ang sinabi nga nila sa akin, well, ito nga daw, very happy sila sa kanilang guard production kasi talagang ang bilis na nilalaro nila. Kailangan lang nila i-offset yung kay Jason Dixon kaya nila dino-double team. On the other hand, ito naman Coke Tigers, well, nagkakaproblema sila with the guard defense naman. Ito nagwawala itong si JJ Helterbrand. They have to do a better job in terms of containing him, lalong-lalo na dito sa second half. Ed?
That certainly seems to be the order of the day dahil sabi mo nga, naglalagot ito si JJ Helterbrand kahit saan bitawan ng bola, bumapasok 18 ginawa. Do sa first half pa lang.
And that's really going to spell problems para dito sa Coca-Cola because he has proven now that he can score. And plus, this guy can give out assists. Remember, #1 in assists. If that ngayon nakaka-score na siya at pumuntos na siya, kailangan mo pang respetuhin yung pagka-drive niya.
At yun, masyadong mababay pasa ni Eric Benk papunta kay JJ Helterbrand. Here comes Donald Copeland. Nilabas kay Alex Cabagnot. Copeland from the corner. Wala. Kinalawit ni Ronald Tubig. Junti Valenzuela to Helterbrand. Back to Junti. Assist naman ngayon. Assist. Nabanggit mo na mag-a-assist si JJ Helterbrand. Ayun. Binigyan si Junti Valenzuela. First field goal by Junti Valenzuela in this game.
One of the reasons kung bakit nakakatakbo yung Barangay Ginebra is because the moment they get the rebound, they look up right away at yun, ready na sila kaagad tumakbo.
And there's JJ Helterbrand. Chris Alexander was pulled out with over 4 minutes to go in the second quarter due to 3 personal fouls. Pero ngayon sa pag-umpisa ng third quarter, nandiyan na naman si Chris Alexander. Kinukulit-kulit ni Donald Copeland si JJ Helterbrand. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Helterbrand, let's sit. Sabi sa'yo, kahit saan kahit saan bitawan 20 ang ginagawa ni JJ Helterbrand. Copeland got away from JJ. Pinalik kay Jason Dixon. And Alexander has the rebound. It is now a 14-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Valenzuela against Catley. Fishing expedition.
You have to think that the last couple of minutes, about the last 15 minutes or so, or the last 20 minutes, Ginebra has definitely been the much better team. They've been the smarter team. Nakakuha sila ng mga fouls. They have been the more aggressive team. And Coca-Cola really soul-searching kung para maibalik kung ano nangyari nung first couple of minutes of the first quarter.
Well, they're groping for form, whereas Barangay Ginebra is firing on all cylinders. At ngayon, pinalawig pa ni Junti Valenzuela ang bentahe. Nasa 15 puntos na yan at 56-41. Isa pa. Pasok din.
Right now, if you're Coach Ricky Pavit, you're just asking for your team to score in this possession. Dahil kung di pa sila makascore dito at makascore ang Barangay Ginebra, you might have to burn a very early timeout.
Copeland almost lost it. Here's Cabagnot. Inside to Dixon. And dala-dalawa na kaagad ang pumapaligid kay Jason Dixon every time he gets hold of the ball. Hey, Junti Valenzuela! What was that all about? Ibang klaseng galaw yun ni Junti. Si Rafi Ribis hindi rin makapaniwala.
And that's why they got Junti Valenzuela. An additional offensive punch. At yun, nagpakita na siya.
Ako, initya na lang ni Copeland yung tiro. Asi Taulawa, however, picks it up. Here comes Copeland once again against Junti. Nilabas kay Catley. Yun. That's a 3-3 from Cesar Catley. They badly needed that.
That's right. Badly is the right word.
Badly from Catley. Dite, ang kabande ng Ginebra. Open shot for Eric Benk.
Everything just falling para sa Barangay Ginebra. You would think that that's a shot that they would want to give para sa Barangay Ginebra. Pero lahat talaga nagkakahawaan na.
Totoo yan. Pagka ganyan mainit yung mga kakampi mo, Mahirap naman kung hindi ka pa mahawa. There's the double team on Dixon. Cabagnot momentarily open. He gets closer. And the lob shot from Alex Cabagnot. He has 10 in the game.
Then Coca-Cola has to prove that even if they're not gonna sit down at that three-point line and keep on jacking it up, pag nilabasan sila, kailangan aatake rin sila dun sa inside the paint.
Here comes J.J. Helterbrand. Way, steal by Jason Dixon. Binigay kay Cabagnot. Cabagnot sidesteps, finds Copeland. Wala. Well, sayang yun, fast break, ano, pagkatapos ang tira sa labas.
That's right, 2-on-1 situation. Alex Cabagnot and Jason Dixon. Well, you have to think Jason Dixon should get that basketball.
Tubig. Wala. Here's Copley. Down low to Dixon. Nilabas kay Cabagnot. Oh, what a letdown para sa Coca-Cola. Medyo mababa yung pasa ni Cabagnot kay Asi Taulaba. Paul Artadi is